Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be continuing to discuss few more concepts regarding lists. You can loop through the list items using for loop or while loop or by referring to their index values. You can see the elements of a list are printed one after the another. To get better understanding of the loops concepts, you can watch out the Python loops tutorial video, and any doubts regarding the same, do leave a message in the comment section. In order to print the list elements in ascending, descending order or alphabetical order, we can use the sort method. Earlier, we had mentioned the numeric values inside the quotes, which is a string type. Let's create a new list with integer data type to avoid any confusions. By default, sort method generates output in ascending, alphabetical order, and reverse keyboard can be used to print the results in descending order. How to copy a list. It is not possible to copy a list by using the equal to condition, list1 equals list2. Instead, we can use the copy method to get the items of a list to another list. We can join lists using addition operator. Also, as we discussed in the previous video, we can use append or extend methods. List comprehension offers a shorter syntax when you're creating a new list based on the values of existing list, and it won't change the values of original list or existing list. Hope all are clear with the topics discussed so far, and I believe we had covered the Python lists completely. Leave a comment in comment box, we will try to answer if we missed anything. See you all in the next video.